Here's a problem involving a little geometry.
Fascinating.
I'm glad you think so. And what it has to do is with the area of a parallelogram that has adjacent sides A and B, and the included angle theta is A area equals A side, adjacent side A times adjacent side B times sine of angle theta, the angle between those two sides. So here's the question: find how fast the area is changing with respect to A and also with respect to theta when A is 10, B is 20, and theta equals pi over 6. And so we start by taking this function of three variables, really, A, B, and sine of theta. We would say, well, the partial derivative of this with respect to small a is derivative of area with respect to A is B times sine of theta, see, because B and sine of theta are considered constants. And so then we go ahead and fill in B equals 20 and theta equals pi over 6, so we got 20 times sine of pi over 6, which is 20 times a half, which is 10. So in other words, the area is changing at this moment at a rate of 10. Of course, I didn't tell you what the units were, but 10 probably feet per minute or feet per second. I don't know how that would be working. But I didn't give you the units, so it would be 10 something or others. I'm not sure which. And so how fast is the area changing with respect to theta at that point? Well, again, now the A and the B are constant, so when you take the derivative of AB sine theta with respect to theta, the derivative of sine of theta is cosine theta times this constant A times B, so we get A times B times cosine of theta. The derivative of sine is cosine, of course. And so the change in the area with respect to theta is 10 times 20, which is 200, times the cosine of pi over 6, which is square root of 3 over 2, so you wind up with 100 square roots of 3. So the change in the area with respect to theta is 100 square roots of 3, probably square feet or whatever, per radian, per change in radian of the angle. That's probably the best way we could describe it. So the area is changing by 10 units of change of A, where it is changing by 100 square roots of 3 units per unit of change of theta. Hope you understand that.
Live long and prosper.
Thank you. I'll try.